Okay, so the process we're going to go through here is initializing the heat sensor or data logger, as Magtech calls them. Here we've got the Magtech 4 software open, and we've got the USB cable plugged into the computer, and right now I'm going to plug the other end of the USB cable into the temperature or the temperature data logger or the heat sensor. And as you see, what happened here is the software has recognized that it's connected, and the identifying number on the heat sensor that I plugged in is 35. So that's the first thing we want to do here is verify that those match, and in fact they do. If they didn't, what the way to get them in sync is to right click here on the heat sensor in the list, go to the properties for the heat sensor, and then here the device ID we would change to match what's printed on the label, the 2-digit number that's on the label that the tournament uses for reference. So they match already in this case, so no action necessary. So we'll cancel there. And then the next step is to set the device to start recording the day before the parade at noon, and to end recording the day of the parade at noon. So what we'll do in order to make that happen is, again, right click on the heat sensor, go to this little start submenu, and we're going to do a custom start. That will allow us to put a delay on the start right here and on the stop to the window that we're looking for. So this year is 2000. The parade is in 2017, and the parade, since the first is on a Sunday, will be on the second. And so we want the heat sensor to start recording on the first of January 1st, 2017 at 12 p.m., which is noon. And then we want it to stop the day of the parade also at 12 noon. And we've got to be careful to make sure that that's p.m., which is noon, as opposed to 12 a.m., which would be before the parade started. Of course, other years this will be December 31st of the year before the parade, and January 1st, the year of the parade. And then finally, we want to record the reading every 5 minutes. So that we'll change the reading interval to be every 5 minutes. And with that, we click the start button, and we'll observe some progress here. And as soon as the progress is complete, waiting to start, we can disconnect the heat sensor from the cable, and it's ready for us to go install in the float. So that's the end of this video here.